How to use PayPal on the Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you on how to use the PayPal on the Nintendo Switch. It's a really quick and easy process, so follow along. Using PayPal as a payment option on the eShop is simple. It's a default payment option for the residents of the United States, Canada, and Mexico aged 18 and older. If you don't see this option after following the steps, I'll show you. It may not be available in your region or due to your Nintendo Switch protect settings. To access the PayPal payment option and link your account to the Nintendo Switch, first of all, go to the eShop and proceed to check out on any purchase. This can be games, add-on, expansions, or a Nintendo Switch online membership. At checkout, if you meet the criteria, you should see the PayPal option under the default payment options. Select PayPal and you will be prompted to link a PayPal account to your Nintendo Switch. Check your email for a new notification with a link to do this. After linking your Nintendo Switch account with the PayPal, return to the checkout window and select PayPal and enter your password to verify and complete the process. By following the link sent to your email, both accounts will be linked for the future eShop purchases. You can repeat this process as needed. And I hope this guide on using the PayPal on the Nintendo Switch was helpful. If you found this useful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.